What is up, everybody? I am going to Chicago and I am putting together this trip solo. We're in Chicago. Kind of lonely out. I feel like maybe that's because this is a good place for vlogging then. Because I felt like it would be more busy. Look at this place. Like, it's kind of not bustling that I thought it would be, but let's go explore. So I'm in Chinatown, and I'm in this square where the zodiac signs are like around me. There are statues of each one. No, far from. These are Parkinson's rainbow fish. I wonder how they got their name. Why are you swimming like that? I'm not talking about the diver. I'm talking about you, dude. Butt in the air or in the water, high up in the water. Oh man, you guys can see my reflection in the mirror, right? Yes, you can. Look how big this little guy is. That's my reflection. Massive. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. So I'm outside the Shedd Aquarium. There's this like fish statue, literally called Man with Fish, and I think I recognize it from a TV show. I mean, a YouTube bread show. I just saw a shop advertising UGG cleaning. We're in cold weather, everybody. We're in cold weather. Okay, so I'm at the train station waiting for I don't know, I'm bored. I want to do something. Ooh, baby. Oh, the strap, that's why. What are you doing? What is this? There's so much going on that Oliver's just like, I want to rest on my Cai Ping suitcase.
It's like before I'm like, emergency. Oh! You tired?
Clicking? What are we talking about? Okay. Oh, almost stuck.